So good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna be cooking Kering Kentang or fried potato with these small shrimps. We call it AB shrimps, and also with peanut. And those potatoes and then shrimps and peanuts will be glazed with this is palm sugar and other ingredients such as tamarind, chili, shallots and onion, and I have kaffir lime leaves, bay leaves and galangal. So I have cut the potato into this size and then I'm gonna fry it. So I'm gonna fry the potato until it's cooked and dry. So when it's cooked, the potato should be like this, dry and crispy. And for the next step, we are salting garlic and shallots. And then I add galangal, kaffir lime leaves, bay leaves, and chili. And then I add shrimps and also peanuts. And then I add tamarind and also the palm sugar. Just a bit of salt. And lastly, I add the fried potato and I'm gonna mix them all together well. And I'm gonna cook them until dry. So here it is, friends. Fried potato with shrimps and peanut is ready, and I'm gonna save it inside this jar. I'm gonna keep it inside the fridge so I can eat it anytime for a week. So I'm going to cook tasty rice or nasi liwet, and the ingredients are very simple. Of course, rice, it's ready to cook, and also I'm gonna add garlic, shallots, bay leaves and lemongrass, and also this is coconut milk. So just pour the coconut milk into the rice along with other ingredients and then mix them and then just cook them. Yeah, the rice is cooked already. It smells really nice. So here it is, guys. My breakfast today. This is nasi liwet, the rice that I cook with coconut milk, and then I have salted eggs. I have this kering tempe or fried tempe that I cooked yesterday, and also today I cook this kering kentang or fried potato. Well done. What is the title of the song?
It's Still Waters from by Maksim Mrvica.
I see. So today is day 22 of September 2019 and my body weight today is 57.8 and my body fat is 7.3. So now I'm doing an afternoon walk just close to my apartment and I'm going to shop to the nearby supermarket. There is a small park near my apartment. This one is called Diponegoro Park. It is situated just right before this hospital. I think it's pretty nice to spend the time in here, sitting, just playing some swings. But really it becomes our habit to trash to litter everywhere. Even there are some trash can nearby, but like people are too bothered just to put their trash to the trash can. Just like this one, someone is just leaving this trash after that person just had their meal, as well as this one, someone is leaving a trash of his drink. The river is clean though, for Jakarta standard or for Indonesia standard. It is quite clean for a river that flows right in the center of the city. Although yes, there are some trash on the river. Say Jakarta government is actually installing like net like that one in many places in the river in Jakarta, so it's gonna catch the trashes that floats on the river and then they will collect that collect that trash from the river. So that net will catch all the trash in the river. Just like that drifted bamboo, it just stopped there, and some plastic. However, in my opinion, the best way to keep our environment clean is not to clean it when it's dirty, but it's to prevent us to pollute our environment. So like making people understand to keep our environment clean, not to throwing their trash into the river. I think that's more important than making prevention, making a solution like cleaning the river when it's dirty, because there are a lot of people are living nearby the river just like this, so some of people are just disposing their waste into the river. Just look at this, there are some plastics, people just throw their plastics everywhere and they don't even care about the consequence to the environment. So this is what I got from the supermarket today. I found red grapes. These are so cheap. So the price is 26,000 per kilo, which normally the price can be as high as 3 times than this price. So I think this price is a good deal, so I bought 2 of these. So I have washed them and I found that it tastes really sweet. So yeah, it's a good one. I'm glad that I bought this.